thank you for everything you have done for us throughout our lives. Words will never be enough to express how grateful we are for all the sacrifices you've made to give us the life we have today. You have always put our needs before your own, worked tirelessly, and never stopped believing in us, even during the most difficult times. Thank you for your unconditional love, endless patience, and unwavering support. No matter what challenges came our way, you were always there to guide us, encourage us, and remind us that we were never alone. Your strength has always been our source of comfort, and your love has been the foundation that kept our family together. Even after losing Nanay, you carried both the role of a father and a mother with incredible courage. We know it was never easy, yet you never let us feel that something was missing. You gave us all the love, care, guidance, and support we needed, making us feel complete and deeply loved every single day. We admire your resilience and the sacrifices you quietly made behind the scenes, often putting your own happiness aside just to make sure ours came first. Thank you for giving us the gift of life and for raising us to become the people we are today. Everything we have achieved is because of the values you instilled in us: hard work, kindness, humility, perseverance, and unconditional love. We are proud to be your children, and we hope that through our lives and accomplishments, we can make you as proud of us as we are of you. Please know that all your sacrifices have never gone unnoticed. We appreciate every sleepless night, every difficult decision, every hardship you endured, and every silent prayer you offered for us. We recognize that everything you did was out of love, and we will carry that love with us for the rest of our lives. Thank you for being our protector, our provider, our teacher, our role model, and our greatest blessing. No matter how old we become or where life takes us, you will always be our hero. We love you more than words can ever express, and we pray that God continues to bless you with good health, happiness, strength, and many more beautiful years with us. We love you so much, Papa. Thank you for everything. We are forever grateful to have you as our Father. Papa, happy birthday! So much appreciation sa mga sacrifices mo sa amin, and so grateful we are kasi ikaw ang naging Papa namin na binigay ng Panginoon. We love you so much, Papa, from me and Cassie and my wife, Irene.
Happy ika-75 birthday, Papa. Malaking pasasalamat sa Diyos dahil sa mahabang buhay po ninyo. Wala na kaming ibang hiling kundi ang makasama pa namin kayo ng matagal. Hindi man ako lumaki sa inyo, nagpapasalamat pa rin ako kay Lord dahil kayo ang naging tatay ko. Kasi para sa akin, the best dad ka. Kaming mag-asawa at ang mga apo ninyo ay lagi kayong minamahal at mamahalin. We love you so much, Papa.
Message ko, Ed Papa, put God first, stay healthy, and me, Edlin, and Norlene love you so much.
Papa, we thank God for the 75 years of life and still counting more. I may not be able to give what all you need, but we are always here for you. May the Lord bless you and keep you always, praying for your good health and more years to live. Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa! Tandaan mo na andito lang kami para sa'yo, magpalakas ka, at inumin mo gamot mo lagi. Gusto ko makita mo kaming lahat mga anak mo, na maging successful sa buhay. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you, Papa. Happy 75th birthday, Papa! Papa, happy ika-75 birthday. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal, sakripisyo, at paggabay mo sa amin. Maaaring hindi ka perpekto sa paningin ng iba, pero para sa amin, ikaw ang pinakamahusay na ama na ipinagkaloob ng Diyos at ang dahilan kung bakit mayroon kaming magandang kinabukasan. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Papa. Dalangin namin na bigyan ka pa ng Diyos ng mahabang buhay, mabuting kalusugan, at mas marami pang masasayang taon tayong magkakasama.
Hi, Papa. Okay ka lang? Iyan ang gusto kong sabihin noon pa man, simula nang mawala si Nanay sa buhay natin. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal, sakripisyo, at gabay na ibinigay mo sa amin sa buong buhay mo. Ikaw ang aming haligi ng tahanan at inspirasyon. Dahil sa iyong sipag, kabutihan at katatagan, natutunan naming harapin ang buhay ng may tapang at pananampalataya. Ang hiling namin ay bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng mabuting kalusugan, mahabang buhay, kapayapaan ng isip, at maraming masasayang sandali kasama kami. Sana maramdaman mo kung gaano ka namin kamahal at kung gaano kami nagpapasalamat na ikaw ang aming Papa. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy and blessed 75th birthday, Papa. I and Jack wishes you many more birthdays to come, Papa. Always remember that we love you dearly. Sana wag na matigas ulo mo pag pinapainom ka ng maintenance mo. Your pretty bunso is always here for you, Papa. We're always praying for you. We love you so much, Papa.